All right, so finally took this off. If anybody wants to know heart, and it's a half. So it's a half that took this bad boy off. Now you can see more of what's going on with the engine. If you focus, I believe personally I can save this engine, but just for educational purposes, this is my testing ground. I will show you the next block, so that way you guys can get an understanding of why I chose this one over the other one that's completed or completely dismantled. I want to learn. That's why I bought this and this separately, not a running car.